Hello and welcome. My name is Jose Gabriel Rodriguez. I'm a licensed real estate broker and instructor here in Florida. And this is your real estate market update for November 2020. Now, the good news is that demand continues very strongly here in Florida. The kind of not so good news is that inventory levels are pretty low, which is probably going to limit the amount of growth into the future. But for right now, everything looks pretty good. Last month, statewide, single-family home sales went up 22.9% year over year. Now, keep in mind that we don't really measure month to month. We measure year over year because of cyclical changes, seasonal changes. That's a better indicator of what the market is doing. November usually has a little bit of a dip. Why? Because of Thanksgiving and Black Friday, etc. So historically, November, it still goes down a little bit. Having said that, it still went up almost 23% year over year. And with COVID and everything, that's incredible. Inventory levels, though, are down 41%, just a little bit over 41% year over year statewide. So that's a really big dip in inventory. So that in the future, that's going to continue to help us if there's hurt us if there's not more inventory that's coming online. As far as the median sales price statewide, it's $305,000. We'll see how that compares to Dade, Broward, and in Orange County. Now, as far as inventory levels for condominiums, that went down 14.5%. And condo sales were up about 30%, a little bit over 30% year over year. So again, very strong, very healthy numbers statewide. Now let's take a look at my favorite counties, Miami-Dade, Broward, and Orange counties. So this is how things look right now. There's only one category, cash sales for condos in Miami-Dade County, that are down year over year. Every other category for both Dade, Broward, and Orange County are up in the positive if we compare them to year over year. That's not the same story as last May. This past May, as you can see, everything was down as we were still heavily impacted by COVID, but you can see we've recovered significantly. So let's take a look at the first column. We can see that sales transactions are all in the double digits. So the amount of growth year over year, very, very impressive. 28% in Broward for condos. It's almost 30% increase. That's really aggressive. So there's a big demand here for properties. Now, what about median sales prices? Again, very healthy increases, particularly single families in Miami-Dade, 23%. Condos in Broward, 20%, and single family, 13% in Orange County. Now, keep in mind that with the COVID situation at the beginning of the year, we were thinking that prices were going to be either stagnant or be going down. This is a really, really big surprise to be ending up the year with this much increase in medium sales price. So the actual medium sales prices as of November, as you can see, for a single family, is $450,000 in Miami-Dade. Now, keep in mind that we said earlier, the statewide statistics say that the medium sales price for a single family statewide is $305,000. So you can see Miami-Dade is significantly higher. If we look at Broward, it's $425,000, still pretty high. And even Orange County is still a good percentage above the 305. So it's a $345,000 medium sales price. Remember, median is right in the midpoint. So half of the sales were more and half of the sales were less than that amount. What about months worth of inventory? So the amount of inventory for Orange County for single family, this is ridiculous. Remember that a balanced market of 6 or 7 months, with this little inventory, there's a lot of competition from buyers. And so this is going to definitely keep prices at a higher level. Condos in Orange is 3.2. Now, Broward single family, also very little inventory. We're a little bit more balanced with condos and townhouses. And Miami-Dade does have a decent amount of townhouses and condos, but the single family, again, is only 3.6. So what that means is that when we have a low level of inventory, a lot more competition from buyers, which is going to keep the prices up. Now, what about cash transactions? Now, keep in mind, who buys cash? That's a lot of foreign nationals, and there's a lot of reasons why that has taken a hit. I mean, prices have gone up quite a lot. So investors, a lot of foreign nationals that are investors, it's not as attractive because the margins are not there anymore because the prices have gone up so much. But still, it has recovered quite a bit. This was all in the pink back in May. But if you can notice that single family cash buyers are now in Miami-Dade over 15% year over year. In Broward County, condo 14, single family in Orange is 18. All right, so this is significant recovery from last year, all in the positive. The only exception there is condos for Miami-Dade County. And lastly, we have pending sales. So this is a good indicator of what's going to go on in the future, right? This is what is going to determine how many transactions we have in the coming months. And we can see that pending sales is all in the positive numbers. I think the lowest one is condo townhouse in Orange, and that's probably because of the low inventory levels. Okay, guys, that's it for your November 2020 real estate update. I hope you enjoyed the information. If you have any comments or questions, please, by all means, let me know. We'll do this again in a month's time so we can provide you with December's numbers. In the meantime, please do have a safe and happy holiday season. Enjoy your time off with friends and family, and we'll see you soon. Thanks again for watching. Bye.